What's going on, Juan? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, see what we can do. So right off the bat, I love how you have Building Buddy over here. Get a quote and call now. Excellent job right there. But typically, this hamburger window is a little bit outdated. Most people would like to see it in the center over here, as well as find out what your services are. If they can't read your services, then they're walking away because they want to see that you can do exactly what it is that they're looking for. A lot of space over here, that's fine. And then you go straight to testimonials, review, read more, and gallery. So the gallery is great. It gives us an idea of what we're looking at, maybe bathroom remodel and everything, but even I'm having a tough time trying to figure out exactly what is going on. It looks like bathroom remodeling is what we're focusing on, but probably floor and tile as well. And that's where obviously we're gonna have to figure out what's going on. But just overall website here, we're missing all content. We're missing just an ease of access kind of idea, as well as um, pretty much what it is you're actually doing. So this is just for me. I'm just even looking at your pictures, seeing how they're saved. Okay, so it's saved as, huh. So this was done just two months ago. That was added. Interesting. But basically, the reason I did that was because I can always there's something called buyer intent keywords, which is somebody who's searching for something on Google, which is they're going to put in if they're looking to buy, they're going to put in what they're looking for and where they're looking for it as well. So right over here we don't have a lot going on, but let's take a look behind the scenes. So your website is powered through Google, which means that they're going to give you a high UR rating and DR rating, but it means absolutely nothing because you don't have any backlinks or organic keywords. Now, a backlink is where your website is link is somewhere else, somebody can click on it. And a referring domain is when that click comes back to you. Now, those are what really generate your UR and DR rating, right? Because everyone who has a Google site, which is just created by Google, they'll put that there. But Google also really wants to see that you have content on your homepage, and you have no content. So we got to really get that. But let's take a look at what's going on behind the scenes, right? So Painters Miami is what you would call a very much buyer intent keyword because somebody who's looking for a painter in Miami. So they're getting very specific here. But right off the bat, we see ads that are going on over here. And then those are people, by the way, who just want to get themselves higher on the ranking without actually ranking high for it. And then obviously you have your organic, your GMB business profile. Now, this is the map, obviously, but it's very important to get in here because Google, not Google, but statistics show about 30 to 40% of everyone who's searching for anything will click on one of these three people's website. So that is super important to rank for as well. But here's the organic search. Here you can rank as long as you're doing the right stuff. So we got Yelp as number one. No one really cares for a registry because then they have to search again for it. Remember, we're talking ease of access here. We got Home Advisor, and then finally your real competitor, certapro. Now they are a franchise, but that doesn't matter. Google likes local. Let's just put it that way. But as you can see, they have different locations, but it's very clean. Name, number. They lose points because this is not a click to call button, and then get a free estimate. And obviously this thing will follow you around, which is fine, but I lose some kind of sightseeing as we go over here. This is click to call. That's what we want the top to be over here as well. This just lets us know where they're actually in. And then as you scroll through, they're going to talk about all their services, our team, trust us, basically what it is we do with links that go somewhere else. These are just gallery, which is very unnecessary for a website, but then this is very necessary. It's content talking about what it is they're doing, and somebody can click on it and then they'll find out more about it. Color consultation, I'm not saying so much, but I think anyone can do that. And then obviously all the services that they're offering, just scrolling through where they're obviously located, who they kind of work with, or who they're approved by, and then the footer, which is very important. Obviously, you want your social media pages in there. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what it is they're working with. So right off the bat, they have a website ranking right there of 24, which is really good. You want to be in the 30s and 40s here. Ratio 1-to-1, so I don't like this ratio here. But they also have a 71 trust rating from Google here. Now, their backlinks, they don't have a lot of them, but obviously they're really good. Now, they also could be connecting with the other certapro painters in the area and across the United States, which is creating a chain, which is also something that's very strong as well. And they have 41 referring domains. Now, not all backlinks are the same. If you have spammy ones from like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia, it's not going to help you out as much. But then all we got to do, honestly, is just find out what their backlinks and referring domains are, and we can use them ourselves. Now, organic keywords is very important. What are they using as a buyer intent keyword to rank and get 1,100 people coming through their door? Look at this. So we have keywords for Miami painters, painters in Miami. So just different variations of the same word, but very service specific and very area specific. and look at the volumes coming in for that. So 800 people a month are searching for Miami painters. And he's getting 89 of them every single month because he's in the third position of Google to get it. And as you can scroll through, you can see his position is pretty much 3, 4, and 5. He's getting the traffic, typically about 10% ratio of what's going on in very specific keywords. So how does this really help you out? Say painters in Miami, Florida, variation 200 people a month searching for it. He gets 20 of them because he's in position 4 for it. So how is this really going to help you out, one? So all we got to do, honestly, we got to add backlinks, right? We got to find out who your like other big competitors, find out what backlinks they're using, take the good ones and use them for ourselves. And then we got to get at least 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your website itself. Switch it all up so that people know exactly what it is you're offering, even if we move the gallery page somewhere else. But we got to get good content on there and add those organic buyer intent keywords into your content as well so you can start ranking for what people are searching for. That's all I got, one. I really do hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you have any feedback for me at all, I would definitely love to know as well. But other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.